Hey, welcome back to Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Vinny, and today we're going to talk about Chairman Powell's favorite inflation indicator. PCE came out last week, and it was still hot. What do you think he's about to do next week to the market? I don't know. It's a good question.
Mm.
Two stupid guys trade stocks.
But if it's
All
still
right.
hot, why aren't these hikes getting it down, Vinny?
Oh, there
Gosh.
is a delay for sure,
No.
but yeah. So people talk about headline CPI. CPI seems to be the one that moves the market more, but Powell is frankly, boldly point blank come out and said before that PCE is his favorite inflation gauge. All right. And we just got the number for September, 6.2% flat with August as far as like year over year growth. But when you look at it on a month over month basis, it actually still had, it was a 0.4% growth month over month. And when we look at the actual core PCE down here, you're talking about 0.5% month over month. So the kind of crappy, scary part when we're talking about this is now we start to see gas prices trend back up a little bit. So it's going to have some additional pressure in total PCE. I know they try to use the core one, so it kind of eliminates that. But when we're looking at the kind of core PCE, we're still talking about basically flat. 4.95, 4.7, 4.9, 5.1. Like it hasn't really budged. Yes, there is a significant lag behind when rates are increased to when they actually have an effect on the
Quite
economy.
a lag.
But I just went away for a couple days. I went to a couple big shopping places, and holy crap, man, people are still out spending money like no tomorrow. I will notice though the inventory seems very high at some of these places. I mean, like literally like boxes stacked to like the ceiling. Fire code violation. I don't know, but definitely consumers are still out there spending money, which is the crazy part. Jamie Dimon talked about this, how like you're seeing saving rates are low, credit card, debt is at all time high, but people are still spending. Part of it because they
Yeah.
have to, because inflation. But
But is that good or bad?
I mean, you still have the kind of economic machine is still churning. We still had a positive GDP number from the most recent quarters. So that's one thing I guess you can be happy about if you think about it from that
I
standpoint.
don't
But
know if I'm happy about that. I
this
just
this
wanted an over.
emboldens Powell to keep his foot on the freaking goddamn brake pedal, man. And we have a meeting coming up this week, November 1st and
Mm-hmm.
2nd. Market is pricing in 0.75% interest rate hike again, 75 basis points, right? And he has every reason now to go forward with that at this point. And then I'm honestly no. I think after seeing these numbers, people were kind of counting on it going to 50 basis points for December. That you're really gonna have to see something convincing that's indicating that inflation is cooling off, going the opposite direction at this point. But otherwise, you might even get another 0.75%, I think, in December at this point.
And the problem is, like what you showed with it jumping from 4.75, 1.48, 4.9, whatever, it could actually drop like 3 points and then go up again. It doesn't happen as fast as people thinking. If we make a rate hike tomorrow, it's not going to go down in a month. I mean, we have like 6, 7 rate hikes under our belt, and it's still fairly consistent.
Yeah.
This is going to affect the market in a huge way. We have a video out that we put out yesterday on the SPY and what's going on, so it'll help tell you what's going on. Take a look at it.
All right. Catch you on the next one.